The purpose of mobile applications is to meet customer demands. By making daily life considerably simpler over the past 10 years, they have addressed what the majority of people would want to have. These applications have a lot of promise since their creators may make a lot of money from them, regardless of the platforms they are available on, such as music, social networking, travel, and others. App creators have taken extremely straightforward concepts and made them practical in the modern world. Even though there are a ton of applications accessible, not all of them are well organized or have a lot of success. In actuality, some of them struggle and are even kicked out of the market. We would like to showcase some of the most lucrative business niche mobile app ideas now available for consideration in future development. List of most profitable mobile business app niches. Investment and tax management. Learning how to handle your finances well as an adult is one of the most difficult things. Even though the typical financial language might seem very technical, mastering some of the simpler terminologies will help you in the future. It is well worth investing 30 minutes each day in thoughtful planning and execution for wealth management. Automated solutions can help you in your attempt as the ideal vehicle that has made investors wealthy, especially with the introduction of numerous investment and tax management applications. From the standpoint of company growth, these mobile applications continue to be among the most lucrative business categories developed in the world today. They need relatively minimal manual effort, since they enable users to manage their funds with just a few fingertip movements. By straightforward research and careful preparation, having the notion to create an investment management software may satiate the curiosity of millions of people. Travel apps. Most people like to travel. Most people have lifelong aspirations of seeing every country in the world. For the past 30 years, tourism has seen a rapid increase. Travel app categories are so enticing since visitors are making their way to chosen locations every year for various reasons, and the need for such applications will keep growing. Travel applications are created to make traveling a plain convenience as more and more people adopt the technology. Whatever planning shortcomings you may have, there is an app waiting to help you, even though there are numerous categories in the travel app niche to take into account. On-demand service apps. The practice of installing many applications to manage various services of necessity one at a time is now seen as outdated, as a user may access one app to handle several duties that required many applications in the past. The variety that is currently offered by various app platforms is in great demand. This is the point at which consumers start to prioritize on-demand service apps. Several services may be accessed with the all-in-one app by just pressing a button. Customers become more devoted to the app as a result, positioning the company for long-term success. There are several services available, including logistics, bill payment, travel arrangements, and transportation services, to mention a few. An innovative concept may turn an on-demand service app into a reality, just like the new Walmart app, which enables you to buy groceries and other products and have them delivered right to your door. Fitness and health advice apps. Health awareness has increased dramatically worldwide. Formerly, the only individuals who were concerned about their health were gym attendees and sportsmen. Healthcare app developers have made it possible for customers to speak with professionals directly for professional guidance on leading a healthy lifestyle. Fitness has risen to the top of the priorities list. Nowadays, many businesses are creating a niche for mobile apps to grow their clientele. Several people use the app platform to be able to contact their customers fast and conveniently. An individual may track their heart rate and sleep and obtain dietary recommendations with fitness apps. Safety apps. As a result of their widespread use in the technology world, safety applications have improved overall public safety. The development of smartphones has significantly aided in this. With only a few taps on the smartphone app, you can ensure your security. These applications' features and modernization have prevented countless people from damage and even death. People's desire for safety apps will increase as long as security concerns persist in society at large. When technology is there to assist you, there's no need to put yourself in danger. These applications are a top priority for everyone since they are highly helpful and protective for many people, young and old. Parent controlling apps. App makers have recognized parent controlling applications as one of the more profitable options out there. Both parents and children have benefited greatly from smartphones. Many teenagers and young adults use technology to defend themselves, including cell phones, tablets, and computers. Even the smartwatch is becoming more popular. Distractions and disruptions have figured out a way into people's lives as a result of having access to such a wide variety of content. To monitor their children's activities, parents who have migrated to and used parental control apps will continue to want them. Mobile app development here also assists parents with monitoring how well a child may be progressing throughout the day. Online shopping apps. The online shopping app is one of the most profitable business specialty applications available right now. The future demand for this app is not expected to decrease. In actuality, the majority would prefer to use online shopping websites. Sellers are aware that internet advertising is the best way to get their customers' attention. It is far less expensive to run than the traditional brick and mortar. Via the mobile app, discounts and cashback promotions are possible. The creation of user-friendly applications for their enterprises is a top concern for sellers today. Nonetheless, many developers find this to be a difficult app. Gaming apps. Online game software has become popular pastime for many people of all ages. People of various ages are now eager to play games during their downtime thanks to the smartphone platform, which was formerly reserved for young players. Even these kinds of games have mental health themes. Some people enjoy honing their senses and reactions as a kind of enjoyment without recognizing how much gaming has altered how the world functions. Certain gaming applications are achieving sudden success. The clever and creative developers would continue to dominate the revenue charts in this high-growth industry area. Online streaming apps. Internet streaming applications were developed to make it simple and effective to explore entertainment material. Using the app will enable one to enjoy this choice afar, whether it be news, music videos, movies, or sports. Television is no longer necessary since there's more on-demand programming available at the push of a button than ever before. These days, app developers let you subscribe to access their datasets. Internet streaming services can never claim that there isn't enough entertainment material available to post. An app developer in this area must be aware that buying broadcasting and media rights is necessary to stream live content, as this is one of the most difficult app business niches on the market right now. As for strategies, here are a few ideas. Focus on user experience. Users have come to expect a seamless and intuitive experience from mobile apps, so developers need to focus on creating apps that are easy to use and navigate. This includes designing user interfaces that are visually appealing and functional, as well as ensuring that the app is optimized for different devices and screen sizes. Embrace emerging technologies. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and voice assistants offer new opportunities for app development. Developers can explore these technologies to create apps that offer unique and innovative features. Offer personalization. Personalization is becoming increasingly important in the app market. Developers can offer personalized experiences by incorporating user data and preferences into the app's functionality, such as personalized recommendations or customized user interfaces. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for app promotion and user acquisition. Developers can leverage social media platforms to build buzz around their app, engage with users, and encourage them to share the app with their networks. Focus on monetization. Monetization is a key consideration for app developers, and there are a variety of strategies they could use to generate revenue. These include in-app advertising, paid premium features, and subscription models. Developers should consider the monetization strategy early in the development process to ensure that it is integrated seamlessly into the app's functionality. Thank you for tuning into our video on mobile app development niches and strategies for 2023. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. Remember, identifying the right niche and implementing the right strategy is key to success in mobile app development. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest trends and strategies in mobile app development.